How to define skilled talent cultivation in the digital era. Supported by the independently developed Jiean VR virtual engine platform. Jiean High-Tech provides rail transit, aviation, emergency safety, and navigation, with leading system virtual simulation training solutions. By breaking the boundary between virtuality and reality, Jiean High-Tech builds immersive training scenarios to cultivate talents with greater efficiency and higher quality, and empower training systems in various fields. From digital to intelligent, from domestic to international, from now to future. Promote talent cultivation through technologies. Join Jiean High-Tech in opening up more possibilities for training skilled talents.